Just like all of our other services, any window installation is backed by our lifetime workmanship warranty. My belief is that if we have done something wrong during your installation, I don't care if you find it in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, whenever it might be, we owe it to you, the customer, to fix that at no cost to you. If you compare our lifetime workmanship warranty to some of our largest competitors who have 1 and 2 year labor warranties, you'll see we back our work with the best warranty. Deciding between repairing or replacing your windows is really a question of what problem you're trying to solve. Did the glass break? Has the seal broken in your window where you see what looks like fogging between the glass panes? Does your window operate? Is there rotting wood? Those are the questions you want to ask yourself, and those will determine whether replacing or repairing is the best option. We always get asked what the average cost of a window is. This is a very hard question to answer because of all the variables involved. What type of window? What style of window? Location of window to be installed. Is it a first story, second story, third story? Size of window. Double pane, triple pane glass. Are we doing a full replacement or are we doing an insert because of the job conditions? Are we having pre-finished trim? As you can see, there's a lot of questions. That's why we come to your house and do a free initial consultation to find out what might be best for you. Another question I get asked all the time, should I replace all my windows at once? There is definitely a benefit to doing that from a cost perspective. In our pricing, we do price a whole house of windows less than random 1 or 2 window jobs. Most companies, though, won't even offer to do 1 or 2 window jobs, and we're more than happy to do that if that's the best way with your budget to get your windows replaced. We'll do 1 this year, we'll do 2 next year, we'll do 4 the year after, and we'll give you our best price that we can. But yes, if you do the whole house, you will have some savings. 85% of the time when we install your windows, you will see no price change from the quote we gave you. We want to give you a quote up front that we can honor. Sometimes when we replace windows, we run into some rotten wood and some other issues. If that does happen, and it's nothing major, you're not going to hear anything about an additional cost. If it's a little bit more major, we're going to discuss it with you prior to doing the work so that you know what you're going to be charged for the repairs. We're not going to be like other contractors and surprise you at the end of a job with a major upcharge.